Tonight at 10, a story of persistence and survival. A new documentary is highlighting the fight for water in Haiti.
And it shows the struggles and bravery that shaped the foundation of the country. Our very own Magdala Luisan got a preview of the movie, and she joins us live in Little Haiti with more on this. Magdala.
I did, Janice and Louis. The movie actually just ended, so people are going home now. But I can tell you the film shows that this canal was built by the people, for the people. I've learned today that it was Haitians in Florida, across the U.S., in Paris, Canada, and Brazil, who all got together, donated up to $300,000 so that this canal can come to life.
It wasn't a government that paid for this. It wasn't the international world, international agencies. It was Haitians.
South Floridians are watching the Heroes of the Massacre River documentary. It follows Haitian citizens who built a canal on their own despite the ongoing controversial back and forth between Haiti and the Dominican Republic on who can use the body of water. Bertude Albert, a South Florida native and activist for Haiti, watched the Haitian people's determination unfold on the ground. Albert says today the canal has been a major agricultural boost to the people in the northeastern town called Ouanaminthe.
Since last year, it has decreased the price of rice by 33% in the region. It's more than doubled the amount of farmers.
This canal, a first of its kind for the country, isn't just inspiring Haitians off the island, but the natives too. Albert tells me there's a second canal near completion and two more in the beginning stages.
People are being inspired and they're realizing nobody's coming to save us. If we want to be liberated, we need to do just as our ancestors did and grab that freedom, grab that liberation.
And those new canals that are under construction right now are actually happening in different areas of Haiti, the country itself. Now, this showing isn't just tonight. There's another one tomorrow in Pompano Beach, and then there will be another one on December 7th in Coral Springs. That's the latest. We're live in Little Haiti. I'm Magdala Luisan, Local 10 News.